So hi guys, welcome back to Smart Hobbies YouTube channel. So guys, this video is about how to care for your guppy fries. So now guys, 3 months ago I had uploaded a video on how to breed your guppies in a small plastic tub, and I told you that in part 2 I will be showing you all how I collected those fries and how to care them. But unfortunately the video of collecting the fries has been deleted. I don't know how. I'm very sorry for that guys. And in the past 3 months I have done a few modifications and it has given me better results. So now let me tell you what modifications I have done. So the first thing that I have done is I have bought a big cement tank. You can see this cement tank. I have bought a big cement tank, and then I put some water and I put some aquatic plants or water plants. You can see I put some water plants here, a lot of them actually. These are all the leaves. The plants are growing quite nicely actually. Now I have kept this cement tank in outdoors such that there's partial sunlight, not the direct sunlight. So remember remember this guys, when you all buy a cement tank, keep it in such a place that it does not receive the direct sunlight, it should receive the partial sunlight. Now so now since the plants are there in the water and since it receives partial sunlight, it creates microorganisms in the water. So you can see the water is green in color. That's because microorganisms have been formed with the help of these plants and with the help of the sunlight. Microorganisms have been formed, and the guppy fish and the guppy fries eat these microorganisms. So in case you forget to feed your fish one day or so, they eat those microorganisms and they can live. It's very good for guppy fishes as well. This is called algae water. This green water is called algae water. It's very good for your fish. So guys, what I have done is I have created a natural environment for the guppy fishes, so it enhances their growth and their color. You can see the coloration of some guppy parents here. The coloration is just awesome guys, and you can see how many guppy fries are there. It's just too much. I'll show you all around the tank how many guppy fries are there. You can see how many guppy fries are there. My estimation is that there must be approximately 100 guppy fries, that's for sure. There will be guppy fries underneath as well. So now in case you are breeding, in case you can't get a cement tank, and if you are keeping a guppy and if you are trying to breed guppies in a tub like how I did in the first part, you all need to separate the fries from the parents, because the parents will eat their fries. But in this big cement tank that's not the case. Now since it's a big cement tank, the guppy fries can escape from their parents, and there are a lot of hiding spaces as well because I've added a lot of plants, so the guppy fries can hide in those plants from their parents. And as time goes, it just grows and grows and grows. So the guppy parents cannot eat their fries. So you don't need to take the trouble of separating the fries if you're keeping them in a big cement tank like this. But in case you're keeping them in a small tub or something, you'll need to separate the guppy fries. Now if you're raising your guppy fries in a small tank or in a small tub, then you'll have to do water changes at least once a week. You need to change 60% of the water every week, or weekly once, and you'll have to change the water. And as far as the food is concerned, they need to feed them this food. It's called Tayo Guppy Bit. Actually this food is not good. I do not recommend you all to buy this. Instead you can buy this one. It's called Red Fin Micro Bits. It's a very good food. Or if you can't buy this, a simple thing is you can crush the normal pellets that you have, the normal pellets that you feed your big fish. You can crush them and you can add them as well. They will eat it. Now as soon as the guppy fry comes out from their mothers, you should not feed them for the first 3 days. Remember that it's not necessary to feed them for the first 3 days. After 3 days you'll need to feed them thrice a day. Yes guys, thrice a day. Morning little, afternoon little, and night little. Very little amount you'll have to feed so that the digestion system improves. Feed them 3 times a day till they are some 3 months, 4 months old. Then you can feed them 2 times a day. It's enough. So this is about guppy fry. It's very easy guys. Guppies are one of the easiest fish to raise. So you can see how many guppy fries are here. Now let me show you how I feed them. I take little bit of this guppy food and I just spread them across like this, and they eat it. So every day it keeps multiplying. The guppy fries keep multiplying. This is because of this big cement tank. It's so beneficial for your fish. If you want to breed your guppy fishes, I recommend you all to buy this cement tank, and I guarantee you it's a very good source for breeding your fish. You will get superb results. Make sure you'll add as much plants as possible in the cement tank, so that more microorganisms get formed, and those microorganisms are very good for your fish. Try to create a natural environment for them. By doing so, they will get nice color and the growth will also be very fast. So this was about guppy fries care, guys. It's very simple, very easy. Guppies are one of the easiest fish to raise. If you all have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section below. So if you all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video as well if you liked it. So see you in the great video. Till then, goodbye and take care, guys.